Oh, look at that haircut. Welcome back to art class with Mr. Darby. Today we're going to be drawing an imposter, and I'm going to open its mouth up really big, and we'll have his tongue sticking way out of the mouth so that we can make him look like a good imposter. I've seen a lot of kids trying to draw these crewmates and imposters, and they're taking the easy way out. So try to find a little bit more difficult one. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. All right, turn your paper horizontally and we'll get ready to get moving here. In the middle of the paper, go ahead and draw large. All right, this is an L shape. It should be just as tall as it is wide or close. The smaller this is going to be the mouth. The smaller this is, the smaller your imposter. So then I want you to come down on the right side. Come down again equal to, or as close as possible to, the rest of the L shape that you already drew. I want you to come across and up, and you're coming up about halfway, so it's another L shape, a lot smaller, right? This is the right leg if we're looking at it this way. Now, below it, I want you to make kind of a half smile. That'll be its belly or where the pants are, if there are pants, who knows? I don't really know. They're astronaut suit. And then you're going to come back down and make sure it's the same length as the other leg. Also make sure it's the same thickness as the other leg. And then come up. And it's not going to come up the whole way, just a little past the belly, not too close to this. This is like the corner of the mouth here. Then you can also put like a letter C shape right here. That's the fold in the back of the head. And let's go ahead and make a little line here for the top lip. Now I want to do the goggles. I keep calling them goggles. I think they're goggles. It feels like they're goggles. Which is kind of a rounded shape for a rectangle, right? And then go ahead and follow it with another line inside to make those goggles have kind of a frame. Then I've seen some really cool looking drawings which kind of have wiggles inside them for the reflection, and you can see it's kind of like stairs, all right, or like a wiggly line like an S, and then we'll do another one and we do it diagonally. There you have it. Okay, this one's gonna have that detective hat on, and I think it's kind of funny, but it's a backwards C, but it's kind of flattened out, squished together. So start here at the top of the goggles, come over a little bit, and come up, and then come down. And this line here, this is going to come down, touching, and then below that C shape we drew, and back up. Cool. And then, so that's the flattened C, that's the brim of the hat. Then we can make a slightly curved line, almost touching the ends of that backwards C shape. Next, we'll draw two lines coming out. I'll draw the bottom one a little longer for the back of the detective hat. And I want to remind you that even while I'm working quickly, I've been drawing this so many times lately. I want you to take your time, go slow, make your lines clean and light, draw lightly. And if you need to pause the video, pause the video. All right. And then I connect it with the line here. If I turn this, you'll see this end is taller and this end is shorter. Just looks a little more interesting that way. And then the back of the head should go into the part of the hat where it kind of comes up inside, if you could imagine the body going up into the hat. And then below it, we're going to mimic that same line and C shape for the backpack. Now, the teeth. We've been doing 3 teeth. Leave a little gap at the bottom. And then 3 teeth across the bottom. 1, 2, 3. We want to try to keep them as close to being the same size as possible. All right? Now, over here where I did this, obviously, any hat that you want to put on them, maybe you want them to have like a little pet or something like that, you know, another little crewmate running around. All right, then we have to draw the tongue. So the tongue can go out as far as it wants to. That's what you're going to be piercing the other crewmates with. So it can be really long, but I'm just going to kind of take this, start out here at a diagonal, and I'm going to bring that line down in. All right, if you're more comfortable, start at the tooth and work your way out. I'm going to go back up to the top to make my point. Don't start down here, because by the time you get out, you may have your lines too far apart. It will look like you have a square end or something. So start here at the tip and then work your way back with that skinny tongue all the way back into the corner of the mouth. If that ends up touching a tooth or something, that's great, it's fine, as long as it looks like it's going into the mouth. Oh, let's draw a vent. So a vent, we're working on our shapes, right? Let's do a trapezoid. So we'll take our line here, right about the same height on the page as the bottom of the legs, come over, and at the ends, come out, making this look a little bit 3D for our vent. And then we can kind of come across, right? So we have two parallel lines, and this will be our vent. You can make the vent open if you wanted to, but I'm just going to make it closed. And I think it's easy to do this if you just make kind of like a hot dog shape inside. So here's 1, 2. Look at how they're tipped. 3, 4. And there's our vent. Now, at this point, you could pull up any of the boards that you want to. We've put this in Medbay and drawn the Medbay scanner. And I just encourage you to do a little search and check out the parts or the areas of the game that you really like and that you want to draw. And I'm going to grab some markers and I'm just going to go ahead and color it the way it is. Let's keep this one short. Awesome, very cool. Well, this is our finished imposter. I hope you enjoyed drawing it and coloring it with me. I was looking and I realized that the backpack seemed like it was the same color as the goggles and the body. And I added the brown to the hat because I like that. And the tongue stays red no matter what color it is. So keep drawing, keep on practicing. You know, practice makes progress. I will catch up with you guys again soon. In the meantime, stay safe and keep arting.